Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Google Chrome opens with the white screen update. The Chrome white screen occurs without any error message. So wala kang makikita dito na kahit anong error message. So pure na white screen lang po siya. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a Chrome browser. And dito lang sa upper right side ay makikita mo dito yung tatlong dot. So i-click mo lang yan. And next step, so scroll down lang tayo and then select mo lang dito yung settings. So click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa left side menu and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung system. So i-click mo lang tong system. And dito lang sa right side, sa system ay kailangan mo lang natin i-turn off yung use graphics accelerations when available. So turn off mo lang natin yan. So click mo lang tong button niya. Ayan. So once na turn off na natin dito and other solutions na pwede natin gawin. So same dito lang sa Google Chrome. And then dito sa upper right side, makikita mo dito yung tatlong dot. And then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung history. And then i-click mo lang dito yung history. Or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+H. Alright? So i-click mo lang yan. And next step, so dito lang sa left side menu and then i-click mo lang dito yung delete browsing data. So click mo lang yan. Alright, so pop up itong delete browsing data. So may dalawang option dito na basic and advanced. And then select mo lang dito yung basic. And then dito sa kanyang time range ay select mo lang dito yung all the time. And next step, so kailangan mo lang i-check tong box na browsing history, yung cookies and other site data, and yung cache images and files. Dapat nakaselect yan. And dito lang sa baba, sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung delete data. So i-click mo lang yan. And then wait natin. Okay, so once na-complete na yung delete data and then close lang natin tong Google Chrome, ang next step ay dito lang sa start menu at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Google Chrome with white screen error. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.